Hey y'all, I'm Ben.
And I'm Christina.
And we're the McMillan Express.
And today we're going to talk to you about RV setup and takedown. When it's time to move your RV to the next destination, you want to make sure that everything has a place. So you're going to start with packing up the inside.
You want to make sure that everything is secure inside your trailer, such as your dishes, clothes are put away. If you got any stools or chairs, make sure those are secured as well. Then also you want to make sure that all your power, your propane is turned off, your slides are pulled in, your awning is pulled in, and if you have doors inside, make sure that your doors are closed and secured as well.
Then you're going to move to the outside and do the same thing. Pack up anything that's outside that needs to go into your RV or your tow vehicle.
You want to make sure that all your water hoses are unattached, that you are unplugged from shore power. Make sure that your sewage hose is put away properly and stored.
Stabilizers need to be up in order to hitch up because once you start lifting the jack in the front of the RV, the stabilizers can bend really easily.
Make sure that you get a full walk around. Make sure everything is nice and neat, tidy, put away properly, and you should be ready to go.
When you're ready to hitch up the RV, the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your wheels are chocked snugly and raise the hitch jack in front to ensure that your truck ball can fit underneath the hitch properly.
When you're backing up your trailer vehicle, Christina and I use a tandem system. I'm usually the one backing up the vehicle, and she's going to be behind the vehicle, guiding me in properly to make sure that I line up everything properly and hitch up properly. It's also good to remember when you do have your vehicle backed up and ready to be aligned up with your hitch, once you get out, make sure that you put your e-brake on as well. Now that you got your hitch ball aligned with your RV coupler, you're ready to connect. So let's start by dropping down the trailer on into the hitch ball. Now it's time to lock your receiver latch and insert your safety pin. Then we want to connect our 7-pin connector. After that, our safety chains. Last but not least, our breakaway cable.
Once this is locked, you're going to move on to the next steps like putting on your stabilizer bars and sway control.
Now that you're all connected, you're ready to bring your jack up all the way.
Once you're fully hitched up, you want to be sure to remove your chocks and check your brake lights and turn signals. Once you've arrived at your next destination, the first thing you do before you unhitch is make sure that your RV is level from side to side.
You want to make sure that you check how level your trailer is by using a leveler on the outside of the trailer, also on the inside of the trailer, and preferably the middle of your trailer as well. Place leveling blocks underneath your tires if needed to make sure that your trailer is level properly. Add your wheel chocks.
Make sure that your tow vehicle is in park and your emergency brake is engaged.
Disconnect all wiring and safety gear and make sure you disconnect your sway bar as well. Unlock receiver latch. Use a jack or a crank to lift the front of the RV until the ball mount comes out of the receiver and there's enough clearance to pull your tow vehicle forward. You may need to lower the RV with the jack to get it level again.
Once your RV is unhitched, level, and chocked, it's time to put down your stabilizers. Just make sure you don't overextend because they're only used to stabilize the RV. That's it. The first thing that we do when we set up camp is plug the electric in, the water hose, and the sewer line. Now, if we're boondocking, we already have a full freshwater tank, and we are making sure that our solar's working, possibly pulling out the generator for power. You can pull out your awning, your slides, your steps, and start setting up camp. That was an overview on RV setup and takedown.
And for more information, go to thorindustries.com. We're the McMillans, and we'll see you on the road.